In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can send money to Nepal using RemitBee money transfer. So to get started, hit the link in the description. It will take you to RemitBee's website. Once you're there, it's sign up. And all you need to get started is your email address and a password. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. You can do this using the mobile app as well. The steps are pretty much the same. So once you're in, select send money. You're going to select add new recipient, search for Nepal, then select continue. You can do a bank deposit or cash pickup. So here I'm going to go with cash pickup and select continue. Complete the recipient information. Scroll down, select your pickup provider, so you can do pickups with City Express. Enter the recipient address and select continue. Enter the amount of money that you wish to send, let's say $100. It shows how much the recipient will receive, and select continue. Select the purpose of your transfer, let's say family expense, and select continue. Select your payment method. I'm going to select e-transfer and select next. So if you're doing an e-transfer, ensure that you read the instructions correctly. So from your bank, you're going to be sending an e-transfer. And most importantly, in the message of the e-transfer, you're going to put the email address that is associated with your RemitBee account, right? So select continue and then select confirm and send. Here select I understand. So here your transaction will be in progress. Now once the money reaches your RemitBee's account within basically a few hours, your balance will be zeroed out and your transfer will be accepted and sent. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.